Thank you for joining us on Black Investments Matter. I'm Antoine Anderson, and on this edition of Cancel Culture, we're going to show you how to disconnect or cancel your Netflix account step by step. By far, Netflix probably has the most members of its streaming service platform than any other on the planet. It's been around for years or almost over a decade now. It really was the OG in the game, led directly to the demise of places like Blockbuster and remember Redbox, when you can go and get the DVDs from the vending machine. Yeah, you can still get them, but why bother when you can download a movie via streaming service and get it done? So let's go ahead and get right into it. First things first, we're going to go ahead and open up your web page and go to netflix.com from your computer. We're going to do this one on the computer. I believe you can do it on the phone, but it's so much easier to do it on the computer. You're going to go ahead and sign in. It gives you the option to sign in with either your email address or your telephone number, whatever you use on your account. Type in your password. And then uh, in the upper right hand corner, whatever you're using as your icon for your uh, profile, you just hover over it, select account, and it brings you directly to the page where you are going to find the button to cancel membership. Now you have um, all sorts of other items here where you can manage your payment and whatnot. But canceling membership on this page is very, very easy. Just hit the cancel membership button. You're going to be given a notification before you cancel it. Um, and it gives you the opportunity, like many others, to change to a basic. I'm using the premium right now, and I'm going to keep my account, but this is just to show you where it is. It'll tell you that the cancellation will be effective at the end of your current billing period. You can come back anytime if you will start within 10 months. Your profiles, favorites, viewing preferences, and account details will be waiting for you. So you don't necessarily lose um, your status. I've been a member since 2016, at least in this incarnation of it, and that. I'm going to just go back for myself and end it right there. Now, as I've stated before, the cancel culture series is just how to rate whether or not these are good services as far as customer service is concerned, and how easy it is to cancel if you want to cancel your subscriptions. I'm going to give Netflix another 4.5 out of 5. It's pretty easy, doesn't get too needy. Actually, we're going to go ahead and notch it up to a 5 out of 5 stars. I think Netflix, despite all the drama it's been going to with removing the shared passwords and the kind of subculture that arised out of people stealing Netflix passwords. You broke so and so's. Get off of people's pages, man, and stop stealing Netflix accounts. I mean, get you some business for real. But anyway, I give Netflix's cancel option a 5 out of 5. Let me know what you think on the bottom of the page in the comment section. I'll talk to you guys later. Have a good one.